Doing a very quick video update because it's raining. The boys have gone for the day now. I had a new roof with next door. Back and front about 5 years ago. With the upgrade that we're having now, new boards are going right across quietly. The tiles will all come off. The tiles will then all go back on, whether the old ones or the new ones, I don't know yet. Guttering's off, and we might have new or it might be cleaned. Don't know at the moment. And my cable's down, obviously, because the guttering's been disturbed. They have sealed the roof. I hope it will be alright because, well, it's raining. Hopefully they'll come and fix it a bit more tomorrow. What a mess. Not much to report today. As I said, all of that was done the other day with the wall. And I have put that on my video for update. And the canopy, or the concrete one, was taken away 2 days ago. The lights will come down eventually because all boards will be going on and insulation boards will be going on, or this will be coming off.